you have helped a company which is with a 500x ROI for a tech brand. What are the key gaps you have identified when you started working with them, either on the brand side or the existing approach they are doing, right? How did you address them and make their ABM and demand generation truly effective?
So, so first of all, when you look into a potential market that you're targeting, you should look into the market maturity. So at that time, in this particular case, it was an aviation, and it was a drone company, drone like platform, sort of a tech brand. And so our targets were like aviation companies, like companies who would use drones and stuff like that, and like around that area. They weren't using even CRMs, a lot of them, So we had to go from the very basics. So it wasn't in a partnership with Andrew Zinkevich, who has a resource called Full Funnel IO. He teaches ABM. So we first of all we focused on the low hanging fruits, which was well, I went through their tracking, made sure that we track everything. Then I looked at how what's their current closure rate, how what's the sales cycle, how well are they closing clients, what's their percentage of closure. So I think one of my first steps there was actually creating a list of sales enablement documents. So after the sales call, they would send a list of sales enablement documents like technical, POC, technical documentation, roadmap, like different, like a business case, and that helped a lot with increase already on one end the closure rates. So they could bring more revenue. Another one is that buyer/sales enablement. We built an ABM and demand gen machine for them. So we had the idea that like the innovation in that industry in particular, there were a lot of pioneers who like aviation pioneers and pioneers in terms of UAV, like manned air vehicles, like drones and all of things combined. And nobody spoke about them. So we decided that we want to build a media machine. We started like a podcast for focused in particular on a particular region. Based on our sales data, we saw that South Africa and South Europe were in particularly some good markets for us because they had a higher closure rate. Let's say somewhere in between 25 to 35% they would close from a demo to a customer.